On behalf of the committee, we want to sympathize with the bereaved, the young soldiers' family, and also sympathize with the affected victims, those who were innocently beaten.
That we have suffered enough, and enough is...
Therefore, asumdwe ne osurusunsum elkan anapai ne amekan se onyame obosoro bo asase no ompenya ne nsa antoso ba bibiara ohwe mi firi no ne amekan se sene ti bia no onyame do unti no mama adepaide achew emesero se obacho bo asawati nsamo amene wo eka na wa subscribe channel na wa share page no na wa like na do comment aba aminka se minchiro ni ota wo ne mre ya wonso a wodi mirika na nyina asemi se ni papa bia no se ni pati na numa asempa aya na yinkrahye ni papa bia no se ni pati na numa asema aya na yinkrahye Bible say oni papa di oman so a amane ni ji oni papa ni fodi oman so a according to Isaiah oman ni si apini nyame pasa me ka kire nyina e baako ye nyina ni ni ahie eye match 6 match ade ba chi odesebe so jeni ya wu ya nra ya pane krabe enane da be ka ho asam bi enka ho asam bi ane ama me be ka ho asam na aye me de as a son of a good leader na ama me wakasa nti ama me be kasa no anu na very important to me enye ne why na dwen so onyimi ntumi se ye nyamedifo anas me nyamedifo because se me nyamedifo a ensesa watade se me nyamedifo a ensesa watade nanso me a me gimi hudi no me na matters enyame nyankopon gimi tum se me yanako na otumi de me sayade tinyu se nyame gimi tum no de me sayade Lord me bu mpokire na ni pani bia na so nyame aye no amodi fufuro bia e pacho ene kora plus to my kingdom of God a plus na ni wo so waje me hu contract out trans ya wo so be se mi din obaka me ho asam no e pacho e mobo nti eno ni akontebu akobu a kire mi zaya no se me de baza so ni pa won sa wo de be kan bi pa o ya kwase nyame tua wo ka so come once you we want to fan nyame fan sambere me o come once me say nyame tua o ka obadwen ba bia wo hwe me so me fa cho me ntie na nipa ka wate me nipa nka ho asem no tamfo ni mo ahyase o nyame pe ni mo ahyase ko se ntuma breda wo ye frɛ duane edida ma bobo siada o nyame bifo achi me ho atum se nyame na achi me ti nyi nipa me ba cho tie ma ye nua kura stone boy ebe ke kansam bi ebe to ayempia na stone boy nyame na adi ho fofie se wo na woni Ashaiman that time no kaboa sojafoɔ no ba po no they will not regard you as we a celebrity or so we a musical one. Respect the law oto nyuma no mo sojafoɔ laws rule we deserve to say the discipline and you can say respect the law. Now I'm saying wrong is this one. How will you take it? I bet to say sabi abrekuma. Maybe ebisi ya kwakuni nyewu ya. Aye say amanfo so no. Say sana Ashaiman ebeye. Opa never any pay to Ashaiman. Because of they don't regard soldiers, they don't regard soldier ni obo ho ba wu bunu kuni say. Agin somebody at the one said, near to me afa and quasiadi the actress. So I say call the girlfriend ho and in into wa would it sick and worn out with Jenna Honyaman. Into Unia and the sea then away. Now I don't blame those people. Those are robbers, whatever it is. I don't blame them. I blame the citizens of the Ghana and Penny 4. And I blame one more. Because yeah, no mind a Juma Omua. Uncle Biko young robber then. I then. Eh, no mind no. A mumbraya tenia. Yachua. Sebia Bruce Sebia Yan, perform cat from cat no far. Nay, what Bokron said, what could you Father Square? Dimayam said a Babu Kana. Comes of Baku Yadi. Who's a Bukum Haram, Arab country for Embranibia. Wadubajna, La Wakban, La Sunala, Allah Wakban, Shoo, a church or Chinasaku. You have to go, you won't talk about Bamino. Yes, so animal. But Nina Bino. Ghana is peaceful country. Tina, then so was near Kusujani, or China near Kusujani, and now near Kusujani. Bama. Stone boy may now any Papa was some, and also just say within some phone. Now some food dear at your house, a pro stone boy. Into Tia says stone boy, the uncle can cabum. Now, my make us out when I say, Yabapa honorable Ken Agyapong. Wababa Kasa as a good leader and as a good fresh mind, Papa Wono. Waka Abakasa said, no. No more and yet until one year Ashaiman boys what to for say or maybe Sibium and the Pacuncuno and yet and now we swa or the Apachoke see a dear Masuda for. Now come me put dear, may me see a back to back with you for back to buy issues of a coro. And come me dear, I can just say. Oh, Masuda for the quaint. No more some Ashaiman. Yeah, you will remember Confuponi what's a form of Papa to you body you. You will remember what me ha. I did go to a beer. Big Yantia said, alleged said, boy, the quite see him Pambra. Muslimi Nibia Wakola has been trained so you're good or you're good from the foundation to the level. Muslimi for ye Sisiwamo. I've been to the place before. Now, Papa Ken Agyapong or Kebi a woman or the Apache at the ambassador for. Now, I tell you, and made transit. This is a leader. Yen stop more better to I am piano. Baby, why am I dear? I'm a Yanni, the patch of co-host boy. Kauko, what Chenecotua. Every year, said Ziamode. Omo yan hwe no mudi police no. Yes, asame ma lege was asame ma kwaye say munya no e krofo. Sasa ma kwese kana say no kra nya lege pa na asame ne no kra pefe dia. Oh, kabade say sake o. Na say ofo apone. Kasalman ye chin ye born ma we ye born ma nyene ye see a chini pa mienu. I want confirm say the people who killed them. Want me akire mo ya chi. Ah, no matter we sheba from scratch to this certain level. More company nyam dia ba fie. Na nipa kwa champagne fucking idiot son. Foolish man son. We know akoku wise man son. Ni aka just say nyam sa. Asoja fo pom mai. Nyena no kra ba bonti. Enyena no kra ba bonti. Enti me no wo de make kan ba fi bia me boa le konkotie honorable patcho de akomo mo. Hon Ken Agyapong nyami shira o man kwatenten. O man kwatenten pa. No shawdin. Yakọ ni campaign ye nyina tem didi bi anim. Yakọ hwe video no kakra bi ne yemra na afemi fuma no sisi na fa comment bra.
A short briefing on what actually happened at Ashaiman between the residents of Ashaiman and the Ghana Armed Forces. In fact, we met this afternoon road block with the Defense Ministry and the Military High Command. Then able lieutenants, my committee members, met and we've come to an agreement that the members of the committee, the Ministry of Defense and the Military High Command will pay a visit on Thursday to Ashaiman to dialogue with the people of Ashaiman as well as the Military High Command. So for the meantime, we pleaded with our honorable member from Ashaiman. I don't wish to be in his shoes. Normally he's very loud on the committee, and today when I come to say mυrdered. He's so worried. I haven't seen him so down like this before, which means it has taken a toll on him. We all sympathize with him. On behalf of the committee, we want to sympathize with the bereaved, the young soldier's family, and also sympathize with the affected victims, those who were innocently beaten. They were not part of it, but unfortunately they got to a scene where they were not supposed to be. Or even I heard some of them were in their various homes and they came out and beat them. I think we all have to admit as human beings that there were excesses, and therefore we sympathize with the people of Ashaiman. At the same time, we also sympathize with the Ghana Armed Forces for our young men taking the law into their own hands to kill one of theirs. But a situation like this, all we can say is that we need peace.
So things like this and like that, we don't deserve to do this on our kasa. Near cancer nabo, Monko Swali Suja from Kasa underground. Me is Ashaiman boys on baby. This is Ashaiman crab, a damn mobile for power. Would the check to see the credit pama? Commerce 7 record. Na soja for so mo near to my pa my ye. My idea, ne mumfanche. Mumfanche crack na ye nua soja near we on so called that should be mama na come to baby will be an anybody. And when you say about discipline the passa, none of credit p. Ne papa chief ne mam so nyamisha papa yi enra okoye as sorry. Yeah, the Islam region rituals be at the man no na afi ye de enu ekoye akabia machi aban ya man state burial night fitting burial na Islam som de ye nkotada ka moka na ye show da soja fo no enu nkoda na di Islam so yes o nimtuni o popan ti hwenwom mo di anim a chief lema papa nyame ma unyini chawate kosuwa tufu. You are a peacemaker. Continue. You don't finish your peacemaker. That's why God doesn't call you. So when you assume a message now we preach here, can you make fraud that? But we papa we here. You say Christ see a big foot everywhere. You may be a young age. We are more no. Na kabichi any uncle Tom. You man what it. Honorable. Can I Japan Yamishra? I attention TV. Attention TV in India, me pacho ko University Foundation and a boy chidom. Na ko University Foundation in India, me pacho adoye any makasa match and then ya konsa misro. Fra Queen over 0548302985. Fra Queen, now Fra Queen me pacho send it biyan. Na biso na se na mko munyame emishra. Me das macro.